What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make custom embroidered patches from start to finish. So what are we waiting for? Let's do this right now. Okay, so here we are at our workstation. I have some duck canvas. You can use twill. This is just what I have, so I'm just going to go with that. I'm going to cut me a piece. Now, today I'll be using, since I'm only doing one patch, I'm going to be using the size B hoop for my embroidery EM1010. You use whatever you have. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece. I'm going to cut it slightly larger than my hoop. So what I would do is just to put a mark. You can use you could use a marker if you'd like. I'm just gonna fold it, put a little crease in it, just so I know where I'm going. And I'm not really being neat, just kind of want to get it cut out the box and get it going. Yep, that's good enough. So what we're going to use is, I'm looking for it. Okay, we're going to use some backing, and this is thin backing. So I'm going to just double it up a little. Just cut it down the center. Remove this. You know what? I'm going to give it a little roll. Let's see that there's little pieces of hair or lint. I want to get that out. I don't really want that. I don't know if that would go into my machine, but if I could prevent it, I'm thinking maybe the needle might press down and little pieces of dust can get in there. So if I could prevent it, I'll do it. So you have your backing, you have your hoop, and we're going to go just like that. Put the backing. Press it down. It's a little on the tight side. And there you go. Nice and tight. And we're ready to go to the machine. Let's take it to the machine. Okay, so here's the design, load it up, and now I'm just going to set up the colors sequence. I'm just going to do this real quick. 10, 6, 5, 10, 5, 6. Hit OK. We're ready to go. And now I'm just going to load up. It's going to load up. Wrong way. There you go. And I already checked the bobbin. We have plenty of that. All needles are set to go. So, without further ado, let's let it rip.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts out, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday.
Okay, so here we are back at the workstation, and here is the finished product. Now, just to let you know, I actually did put on a piece of backing because I tried to stitch it out first time and it just wasn't catching, so I just threw on a backing. I actually I have a thin backing, and I just folded it over and doubled it, and then it's stitched out perfectly. So now we're gonna take it out of the hoop. Just take this backing off, whip around it, and there you go. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut as close to this border as we can without actually cutting into it. So let's do that. We don't want it to unravel, because then we're going to have to start all over again. Now you don't have to be that close, because we're going to go on the next step. We're going to tighten it up a little bit. Almost there. Okay. That looks good, just like that. But we want to do a little bit better, because if you want to sell this, you got to tighten it up. So this is not ready yet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my hot knife. It's been plugged in for about 5 minutes. Now this is a cheap one. This is a cheapie. I think I got this at like Walmart. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Joann's. I think you can get it at Michael's or something like that. So, you know, this is a cheap one though. And I'm going to use this plate to make the cut on, so this way I'm not going melting through this rubber or burning wood or anything like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut as closest to the edge as I can. Now what's going to happen is, while I'm cutting around, it's going to be burning. It's going to like cauterize the edges. This way any frayed edges will be mended up and we'll be good to go. So let's do that now. As close as you can. Let's see. Just want to go around. I'm going nice and slow. You can go a little faster if you're comfortable. Now, of course, you will need to clean it up a little more. And there you have it. That's one custom printed patch made from start to finish, and that's just one more thing to add to your arsenal. Now, if you wanted to clean this up even a bit more, you wanted to get those edges more tighter and skip over the heat knife, there's an alternate method of making patches. You skip the heat knife, you get a tighter, cleaner look. And if you're interested in seeing that method, just leave a comment below and let me know. This way I know I'm not doing all this for nothing. I wanna know that people are listening. Alright, so if you like what you're seeing, if you like the video, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell, and let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video.